Now, in 1983, Jackie got together with a few of her Hot Springs flute friends to perform trios. Within a decade, the ensemble more than tripled in size, and it has been growing ever since. We'd like to show you just how much we've changed over the decades with this next song. Two of our original members, Priscilla Wakecaster and Cheryl Gosley, are here with us today. As the song goes on, you'll see the ensemble begin to grow. Those of us who joined in the 90s, then the 2000s, then the 2010s, and finally the whole group. Please enjoy Brian Boru's March from the Irish Music for Flutes.